This video is me going to Rural King and seeing if I can go in public without an ESSA. Fit check, I look like a banana today. Heading inside the Rural King. I'm going to the Baby Chick S and Rabbit S. Sorry, this is a pretty long walk. Chickens. This chicken got on top of the food bowl and kept side-eyeing me. Bunnies SSSSSSSSSSSS. Going to the Douglas. Looking at the Douglas dogs and cats. Found this cat that I really like and want. I got some candy corn. Getting free dog biscuits for my 2 dogs. Going back to my car. Going home.
Yeah, see wrong with it. See, not truthful.
I got a cold soda drink.
Achoo!
Giving my dog Banner one of the treats. And giving the last one to my dog Clementine. Bye bye my little bananas.